Right. So number systems. What are these? And we'll see them. Okay. So what are the different types of number systems that we have to study? Is binary. Okay. Then we have. We are aware of decimal. Decimal to जानते ही हैं. What is the decimal number system? The one that we are using currently, 10 digits. Therefore, it is called decimal. Okay, see the name comes from the number of digits. So here you have two digits. Which are the two digits used here?
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
So could you increase the font size? It's looking too less.
font size ये तो मैं लिख रहा हूँ. Is it not visible properly to all?
It is, sir.
It's visible, sir.
It's visible, sir, but it's looking very thin, so that's why.
अच्छा, thickness बोल रहे हो क्या? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Decimal number system just then तो ये ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
रुक जाओ फिर. Right. So first one is I'll start with the one that you know, decimal. Decimal number system. It has name comes from the number of digits. It has 10 digits. What are the digits? 0 to
9.
9. Okay, 10 digits 0 to 9 हो जाएगा. देखोगे there are 10. Then the one that you will come across frequently from now onwards is the binary number system that has how many digits? 2. 2 digits. What are those 2 digits?
0 and 1.
0 and 1. Okay. Then you have octal number system. Okay. Octal means 8 digits.
0 to 7.
0 to 7. Correct. And then you have hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system. How many digits are there?
16.
16 digits. Can there be 16 digits? देखते हैं. They are 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, that means 0 to 9 will be 10 digits and then 6 digits are A, B, C, D like that. So when I say A to F, I mean here A stands for 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Okay, so you will see 10 digits are here and 6 digits are here, so that will make a total of 16. Okay, so that way we can that is how the numbers these names have come. Now अब हम लोग देखेंगे कि how we can convert from one number system to another. ठीक है, let us see. Here we will see conversion from any number system. It's very simple. System to decimal number system. Decimal means the one which we are familiar with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 200, 300. ठीक है, decimal number system. Okay. तो how can the question be? Question कैसा हो सकता है? ऐसा हो सकता है. For example, 10110. Let's say this is a binary number. How do we suggest that this is a binary number? अगर सिर्फ ये लिख के छोड़ दोगे, if you write only this much and if you leave, there may be a confusion in which number system it is there. This can also be decimal. It can be like 10,110. But how will people come to know that you are suggesting decimal binary number system here and not a decimal number system? So the way is, write the number, enclose it within brackets, and as subscript. Hope you know subscript. Subscript is what you write below and superscript is what you write above. You write how many digits it has, 2. So if you enclose a number inside brackets, simple brackets, and as a subscript to the bracket, closing bracket, if you write 2, that means this is number is to be taken in binary number system, or to be understood in binary number as per the binary number system. The question will be, this is equivalent to x in decimal number system. ठीक है? So now question can be find x. Okay, so you understood. So if any number is 10110 in this binary number system, what will be its equivalent, or what we will get when we convert it from binary to decimal number system, the number system that you are familiar with? Okay, is the question clear? ये बताओ मुझे.
Yes, sir.
Okay. देखो, now how to convert? Convert करने में क्या होता है? Do you remember expanded form? एक रफ में मैं दिखाता हूँ. Expanded form के questions you might have done in lower classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so expanded form notation. Okay, so if I write, let's
Like
say
for 202 into 100.
correct. तो अगर मैं लिखूं 231 और 237, let's say it's in decimal format, what will be its expanded form as per the place values?
2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1.
Correct. So don't you write 2 into 100? From where 100 comes? 10 to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0. Correct? This will give you 2 into 100 plus 3 into multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 100, 1, which will be again equals to 237. 200 plus 30 plus 7. Right? Is it clear? ये तो सब लोग करते आ रहे हैं. We all of us have been doing this from earlier classes from your childhood. ठीक है? This same expanded form notation is used to convert from any number system to binary number system. How? Have you ever thought why do we do multiply it with the powers of 10 as the numbers are increasing? Because this is a decimal number system. ठीक है? ये decimal number system है. That's why the units place is 10 to the power 0, that is 1. Tens place is 10 to the power 1. Hundreds place हो जाएगा 10 to the power 2. Okay, because this is a decimal number system. In the same way, if you solve this one and if you write in expanded form 10110 को अगर expanded form में लिखोगे, here you multiplied by the powers of 10 because this was in decimal number system. Because here you have in the in binary number system, you will write it in the powers of 2. Okay, so this will be 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 4. Because each of the places varies with the powers of 2. Okay, तो इसको हम लोग लिखेंगे कुछ इस तरह से. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 plus this one 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. अब इसको solve करो. This is 1 into 2 to the power 4 will be 16 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 is 8
22.
plus 1 into 4 plus 2 sorry, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 into 1. This will give you 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, which is equals to 22. And then after this, solving this expanded form notations varying with the powers of 2, the result that you will get will be in the decimal format, decimal number system. ये प्रोसेस समझ में आया सबको? देखो बताओ. Everybody, all of you have understood? See, if somebody is messaging, वो मेरे पास फोन नहीं है, तो you others can help me. If somebody has written something in text, वहाँ पे. हाँ, let me know. कि was this clear?
Sir, is the subscript 10 written to notify that it is in it's a decimal type, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. So you started with a number in binary number system. Then you finally wrote in expanded notation, and whatever the result you got was the same number in decimal number system. ठीक है, सेम नंबर को तुमने डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में लिख दिया. दैट इज द कन्वर्जन. सो सबस्क्रिप्ट स्पेसिफाइज द नंबर सिस्टम दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर इज रिप्रेजेंटेड इन. क्लियर? चलो, एक I won't say anything now, and I'll give you one thing to find. Or let's say ठीक है, I'll give you 1.5 minutes. This is in which number system? Octal. 8. Sorry, I have written 7. No? I'll just make it 8. Or let me change the question then. Now this is an octal number system. You have to find its equivalent in decimal number system, because you have powers of 8. So subsequent digits will vary with the powers of 8 instead of powers of 2. 1.5 minutes you have. Start. बताइए. $753 in octal. You have to convert to decimal number system. Number is 753. You can post also in chat. I'll see.
470, sir.
470. 470.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Rolvin believes 470. Others, देखो.
Sir, 491.
491. So we have two answers here. I also don't know. Maybe find ही करूँगा. One is 470. Other is 491.
491, sir. 491.
Okay. Others, बाकी भी बोल रहे हो 491. Anyone else with any other answer other than this?
491, sir.
491. So chalo. Let us see. What about others?
491, sir.
अच्छा, 491 रुचिका को भी लग रहा है. Okay. Bharat also believes 491. ठीक है. Let us solve. Okay. So this will be your number 753 in octal is equals to 7 multiplied by 8 to the power 2 plus 5 multiplied by 8 to the power 1 plus 3 multiplied by 8 to the power 0. This will be 7 multiplied by 64 plus 5 multiplied by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 1. Okay, 64 into 7, you will get 28, 42, 44. This is 448 plus 40 plus 3. That is equals to 488 plus 3 is equals to 491, which is your answer in. So therefore, Alvin, you might have made some calculation mistake. Okay. Right, Alvin, are you able to understand कि कहाँ पे?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How we go? Okay, ठीक है. Right. So ये clear है? Anyone with doubt here? चलो एक और क्वेश्चन बनाओ. One more question. Just start solving.
Sir, 544.
544. Anyone else with any other answer?
No, sir, it's 481. Sorry, 481.
481, sir.
481.
Okay, this is incorrect. Then 481. सबको 481 आ रहा है? Okay, Tejas.
Yes, sir. 481.
481. Tejas. Okay, and Ruchika also believes that. Anyone with anything else? किसी और को कुछ कहना है? Or shall we seal this answer? देखो, considering कि all of you settle for 481, that is what my question, मैंने intentionally ये question दिया था. Don't be in a haste. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन को पहले एक नजर देखो और understand the demand of the question. I'll go to the first slide and then in octal number system, just have a look in the first slide and tell me if you want to change your answers. This is your octal number system. This was my question. Anybody will like to change the answer?
So 9 is not an octal number, so
Correct. This is not a valid octal number. इसलिए इतना हड़बड़ी में मत रहो. This number itself is not a valid octal number. Okay, so don't just jump onto the question. Understand the उसका need क्या है. Okay. Not a valid number in octal number system. Right? ठीक है. So ये तो question ही valid नहीं था. How will you proceed with? I'll give you two questions. ठीक है. 239. Okay. Both are in hexadecimal number system. I hope you remember. अभी हम लोग डिस्कस किए हैं. A means 10. इसी तरह if you go on this way, F will mean 15. Find the answers to these two questions.
Sir, first one I got 569.
First one is Ankit thinks 569. Okay.
So second one is 3243.
3243. I won't solve this fully. मैं रास्ते तक बीच में छोड़ के ये कर दूंगा. चलो ठीक है. We'll see it. How will you do this? इसका हो जाएगा solution में 2 multiplied by 16 to the power 2 plus 3 multiplied by 16 to the power 1 plus 9 multiplied by 16 to the power 0. Okay, this will be 2 multiplied by.
So for the second one, I'm also getting the same.
Acha, you are also getting this.
Same.
3 to 4. Okay, plus 3 multiplied by 16 plus 9 multiplied by 1. ठीक है, इसको सॉल्व कर लो. इफ इट इज कमिंग है, सबका यही आ रहा है 569. So if that is the answer, I'm not sure. I'm just taking it. This will evaluate to 569. ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन देख लेना. Okay, similarly, this will be solved as c multiplied by 16 to the power 2 plus a multiplied by 16 to the power 1 plus b multiplied by 16 to the power 0. We know that c is what? A is 10, b is 11 and c is 12. This will be 12 multiplied by 16 to the power 2 plus 10 multiplied by 16 to the power 1 plus 11 multiplied by 16 to the power 0, which is 1. ठीक है, तो it will be again 12 into 256 plus 10 into 16 plus 11. Hopefully it should come. अगर तुम लोग कैलकुलेशन सही किए हो तो it will be 3243, which will be in this. Okay, fine. ये दोनों में बताओ. Is it clear?
Sir, the answer, should we leave it as 569 means 3243, or should we put bracket and should we put 10?
नहीं, ब्रैकेट डाल के दे दो. That will be more clear. Okay?
हाँ.
और नहीं तो स्टेटमेंट में लिख दो 3243 इन डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. ठीक है, क्लियर, सिंपल था. इसमें तो कोई कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी नहीं है.
Sir,
हम्म.
in the fourth question, there is 9, sir. Then how is it possible?
देखो 0 to 9 and A to F, these are the allowed numbers.
Okay, hexadecimal. Sorry, sir. I got confused with octal.
ऑक्टल. अच्छा, ऑक्टल में तो ABCD आएगा ही नहीं ना, उसमें तो 780 डिजिट्स होते हैं उसकी. you don't need not go after 7. ठीक है, ठीक है, इसमें there was nothing too much. चलो, अब we'll see the reverse. Reverse is also very easy. So I hope कि अब now ये तुम कर सकते हो. The thing is कि why this will seem कि तुम लोगों को ये इतना comfortable क्यों नहीं रहोगे. 753, this one, this binary octal. Why are humans not comfortable with these number systems? और बचपन से हमें from the childhood, why are we taught only decimal number systems? Reason is कि देखो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. There is no problem. If from the childhood somebody would have taught you in octal number system, so you would have find difficulty in converting to decimal number system. You would have been more comfortable in octal number system. But because multiplications and calculations are easy with the multiplying factor of 10, therefore, as a global notation, we are used to, or generally we use a decimal number system. ठीक है? There is no other reason कि these number systems are not suitable for calculations. ठीक है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. These number systems are perfectly eligible for all types of calculations and computations. But yes, because of the simplicity of the nature of decimal number systems, wherein multiplication, division, and all other computations are easy, Therefore, this is the preferred number system, and we have adopted universally this number system, and we are taught this number system only from our childhood, since our childhood. Okay. तो इसमें और कुछ नहीं है. Now we will see the other way. What was this? Conversion from any number system to decimal number system. So our aim was to convert into decimal number systems. Now we'll do other thing. What? Just a minute. Yeah.
Conversion from decimal to binary.
Convert from decimal number system. Now we will write any number in decimal number system and we'll try to convert it in other number systems. Okay. Let's see how it's done. Conversion from decimal number system to other number systems. So how do we do in this one? Just to recap, from any number system to decimal number system, जो कि हमने देखा है, just remember that you have to use the expanded form notation. Okay. All right. Use expanded form notation. This is applicable to everything. Okay. इसमें होगा use division method. What is division method? I'll tell you. Okay. देखो. Let's say, for your example, your question is 237 in decimal number system and you have to convert in binary number system. ठीक है. तो डिवीजन में क्या करते हैं? The number which you have in decimal number system, take it as what you say is your dividend. जिस नंबर सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करना है, the number system in which you have to convert, okay, उस नंबर सिस्टम का, of that number system, take this number of digits and start dividing by that. So if you have to convert 237 to binary number system, start dividing 237 by number of digits in that number system, that is the binary number system, which is 2, and you will continue dividing successively. So what will be the answer? देखो यहाँ, when you divide 237 by 2, जैसे LCM टाइप का वो फाइंड करते थे ना, वैसे ही करते जाना है. तो 2 1s are 2.
118.5.
Just नहीं 0.5 नहीं लिखना है. Let me complete. Okay. Then you have 1 7. You have 2 8 16. Okay. And how much is the remainder? 1. You will write here 1. Okay. Then again divided by 2. Whatever is the quotient, you again divide that quotient by 2. Then that will be 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. What is the remainder? 0. You write 0 here. Okay. Again divide by 2. कब तक करना है? I'll tell you. This will be 2 2s are 4, 1 9, 2 9s are 18. Okay, 1 is the remainder. Write 1 here. Again divide by 2. 2 14 is 28. 1 will be the remainder. Write 1 here. Divide by 2. 2 7s are 14. Okay, remainder is 0. Write 0. 2 3s are 6. A remainder is 1. Write 1 here. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. Write 1 here. Then you again divide the last 2. If you have to divide by this 1 by 2 again, so you will get 0. Zeros are 0, remainder is 1. The moment you reach here 1, this how you will get the answer? You have reached the answer. What you have to do is write the sequence of these ones and zeros in reverse order. Okay, so in reverse order from bottom to top, you write the sequence. Starting 1 will come first. Okay, so your answer will be 1 1 1 0. So 1 1 1 0 1 1 double 1 then 0 1 0 1. This is your required binary number. Okay, इसको वेरीफाई भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, 2 zeros are देखोगे तुम यहाँ पे this will be 2, this will result in 0. Why? देखते जाना. ये पावर ऑफ क्या होगा, इसको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिख के convert करो. हाँ, इसको फिर कन्वर्ट करो, तो you will find that कि whatever you are getting, this will be 1 2 4, this will be 4, this will be 8, this will be 16, this will be 32, 64.
No, how will it be 16, sir? It should be 0.
I'm just writing powers of 2 का आंसर. Okay. 2 अच्छा, यहाँ पे 0 नहीं होगा. Middle I have done mistake. This will be 1 1, this will be 2. Okay. Now इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखते चलो. So you will find that this will cross. I'm just doing in rough. तुम लोग इसको expanded form में solve कर सकते हो. This will go and the answer will be sum of 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. Okay. So देख लो. Is it coming to 237? 128 plus 64 करोगे तो 80 88 92 94 122 180 84. देखो, is it coming? करो तो इसको ऐड.
No, sir, it's coming is 249.
No, sir, it's correct. It's coming 237.
237 आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. I have just solved. Let us check. फिर से करके देखो एक बार ऐड करके. कोई छोटा नंबर भी लेके ट्राई कर सकते हो. Let's
Yes,
say 7.
it is 237.
237 ना. ठीक. Right.
Sir, this is somewhat a funny trick.
Somewhat
Funny trick.
funny trick. अच्छा ये ठीक है, कर सकते हो. Right.
So, sir, it does not matter if there are zeros before the number.
Zero नहीं, वो तो किसी नंबर सिस्टम में मैटर नहीं करता. That won't matter.
Okay.
That doesn't matter in any number system. Okay. So ये concept clear है? Is it clear? Okay. So इसी तरह देख सकते हो. You can find out. Let's take one easier example. Let's say you have 17 ले लें. 17 in number system, decimal number system, you have to find in, let's say, binary. So देखो, try करो, what will be the answer? How will 17 in decimal number system be written when it is converted in binary number system? Approach will be, I'll just leave in the previous page. इस तरह से करना.
One, sir.
1. This 17 has to be converted to binary number system from in decimal number system.
So 10001.
10001.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Sum of-
001, sir.
Huh?
It's coming as 0001.
अच्छा 1,000,001 you believe 0,001. Okay, right. Any other answer? Zeros and ones in reverse.
One, sir.
You are getting only one. Okay, let us solve. $17. Let's divide by 2. 2 8s are 16. Remainder is 1. Again divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. You have to continue till you reach 0. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. You have reached 0. Arrange in reverse order. Okay, from bottom to top. If you sequence it, you will get it as 1,001. Yeah, so this is correct. Into. So अब इसको देख सकते हो. This will be like, देखो, it's the power of, ये 1 हो जाएगा. This is power 2. This will be 4. 2 to the power 3 will be 8. 2 to the power 4 will be 16. All zeros वाले place वाले multiply होके they will evaluate to 0. So we can cancel this. Okay, so your answer will be, I'm just doing in rough short में, तुम लोगों को expanded form पूरा कर लेना. 16 plus 1 is equals to 17. Okay, correct? Is it clear to all? बताओ.
Yes.
Those,
Yes, sir.
okay, तेजस ने भी सही जवाब दिया था. तेजस and Bharat, they had also found the correct answer. Good. Okay, चलो एक और क्वेश्चन. In this question, what you can do is this thing. Find करो. Everything will be same. ठीक है? But only change is going to be instead of division by 2, you will have division by 8. And whatever are the remainders coming, यहाँ पे the remainder 0 और 1 ही आ रहा था. Their remainders can be different. ठीक है? Just try to figure it out. ठीक है? इसी तरह में 8 से डिवाइड करते जाना है. This को 739 को successively. Arrange the remainders. जो remainder आ रहा है उसको फिर reverse order में लिख देना. That will be the, if you write the remainders, whatever you are coming is coming here in reverse order. That will be the answer. Try it out and let me know.
So it will be 1343.
अच्छा 1343. Okay. Any other answer? Okay, Rolvin also got 1343. Others? Okay, पूजा का भी वही है. भरत, रुचिका, others also. ठीक है, चलो I'll solve it. There are few people who are missing, and who are those?
Arpit, sir.
Arpit, and Arpit is not there. Ayush है क्या? Ayush है.
Ullas.
He is also
in today's Viva, sir.
they are studying. अरे यार तुम लोग बहुत parochial minded हो गए हो. Don't be that कि Vivas these are not important. The concepts are important. School का Viva कहीं पे matter नहीं करता. Okay. Right. I'll solve it. So I'll leave in another 2-3 minutes. By 8. So this will be 8 9s are 72, 1 9, 8 2s are 16, remainder will be 3. Okay. Again divided by 8. 8 1s are 8, 1 2. Again 8 1s are 8. The remainder will be 4. If you divide by 8 again, 8 1s are 8. Okay. Remainder will be 3. Divide by 8 again, 0. Remainder will be 1. If you write it in reverse order, you will get it as 1 3 1 3 4 3 4 3. Okay, that will be your answer in octal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ullas is here today or he has left? I've not heard his voice.
Not this, sir.
Not there ना? कहाँ चला गया? वाइवा के लिए. Okay. चलो एक और try करना. I'll leave you there with this question, and your question is.
No, sir. Viva did not start. It was
Acha.
started 2:15.
Acha, no problem. Just one question. I'll write 1 3 9 7 and 10 is equals to 16. If you want, you can solve it and tell me right now. नहीं तो कल भी बता सकते हो those who have Viva, जिनको टेंशन हो रहा. Okay.
Sir, 575.
575.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, 575 is one answer.
Sir, suppose there are decimals in that digit, so we'll take negative power, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
बताऊंगा कल बताऊंगा tomorrow. Okay. I thought of covering it today, but
575, sir.
575 only. What? How much did you get, Ankit?
Same, 575.
575. Okay. Fine then. Let's settle it out for 575. Gaurav, अच्छा कभी electricity नहीं है. Okay. Okay. Prithviraj also 575. ठीक है. चलो बेसिक्स वी हैव अंडरस्टूड. ठीक है. कभी कभी क्या होगा व्हेन यू डिवाइड फॉर एग्जांपल 144. ठीक है. मान लो कि कुछ ऐसा डिवीजन आ गया जहां पे रिमाइंडर इज मोर देन 10 10 11 12 13. तो डोंट राइट देयर 10 11 12 13. वहां पे उसकी जगह कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली ABC लिखना. ठीक है. हियर लेट्स से इफ रिमाइंडर कम्स हियर एज 14, देन डोंट राइट हियर 14. राइट हियर लाइक A B और C जो भी उसका.
Sir, what about 20?
20 नहीं आएगा कभी.
50.
When you divide any number by any number, the remainder will always be either equal to or one less than. The maximum remainder possible will be one less than that. How will you ever get 20? किसी को divide करो. You will never get a remainder which is greater than that number. Okay, so remainder will always be, if you're dividing by 16, at max the remainder that can come is 15. Because अगर 16 हो जाएगा तब तो then one quotient will increase by 1 times. Okay. So just be careful. If remainder is 13, 14, 10, 11, तो A, B, C, D से उसको replace कर देना, and then write it in reverse.
Sir, but for 19 it will come as 18. So then what can be done?
क्या 19? समझा नहीं बात तुम्हारा.
Means
What?
if you divide the number by 19 and get the remainder as 18, what will do?
if you're dividing by 19,
Yes, sir.
then that means you are going by a number system which is having 19 digits. तो उसके लिए फिर कुछ extend करना पड़ेगा. Though that type of number system is not in use, but if you want to extend, then F के बाद E, F, G, H, I तक लेके चले जाओ. Okay, तो I तक लिखना फिर.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss these things. जो भी डाउट है कल इसको फर्दर लेते हैं. Hopefully by tomorrow ये टॉपिक खत्म हो जाएगा. It's a very easy topic. इस पे don't make mistakes here. इस टॉपिक पे मिस्टेक करोगे तो that means you are ये फ्री मार्क्स होता है. There cannot be any कैलकुलेशन से एरर आएगा तो बस वो पॉसिबल है. Conceptually इसमें there is nothing much. ठीक है. चलो we'll stop here then. We'll meet tomorrow again. And hopefully अगर थोड़ा ये रहेगा टाइम तो we'll take 2 classes. Okay, we have already missed one yesterday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.